Hey guys, welcome back to topapps.ai, where we share the latest and greatest news in AI. There's so many things going on in the AI world, it's really hard to keep up. So if you're curious about what's new, definitely subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date on all of the cool things that are coming in this really saturated space. So today, we're going to dive into the world of artificial intelligence and demystify some of those confusing AI terms that you may have come across. So if you ever found yourself scratching your head trying to make sense of AI, this video is for you because we're here to make AI make sense. So let's get started with our AI jargon buster. First up, we have the word algorithm. I think this word's overused a little too often in the wrong ways. So an algorithm is simply a set of rules or instructions or conditions that a computer system follows in order to solve problems or complete a task. Think of it as a recipe for your favorite dish. It tells the computer what steps to take in a particular situation to complete said task or to identify said scenario. Moving on to the next word, it's artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI. It's a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software capable of thinking and learning like humans. In other words, it's about developing smart systems that can make decisions and solve problems on their own, very much like the human brain. The next one on our list is chatbot. So you've probably encountered a chatbot before at some point. Being on the internet, it's a little hard to avoid those things, especially when you're seeking customer support or you need information online. A chatbot is a software program designed to have conversations with humans. It's like having a virtual assistant, but it's capable of understanding questions and providing relevant answers based on the prompts you're giving it. So sometimes you'll notice that it's not really picking up what you're saying, and it's because it's probably programmed to hear something one way and you're telling it something another way. So if you ever struggle with a chatbot, try reframing your question in a different way. The next thing on our list is called data mining. So that's another term you've probably heard, and it refers to a process of finding patterns and correlation in large data sets to extract valuable information. It's like searching for hidden treasures in a vast ocean of data. All right, the next one is called deep learning. So this type of AI, artificial intelligence, mimics the human brain's learning process to make sound decisions. It's a technology behind driverless cars, voice-controlled assistants, and much more. Deep learning enables machines to recognize patterns and make sense of very complex data and information. Machine learning, man, is this overused. But it's a fascinating field within the realm of AI. It gives computers the ability to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a computer to recognize faces or predict outcomes based on historical data. Have you ever wondered how voice assistants or translation apps understand human language? That's where the term NLP comes from, otherwise known as natural language processing. That comes into play, a computer program to understand spoken human language. NLP plays a vital role in voice recognition systems, translation apps, and even chatbots too. The next term is neural network, which is inspired by the human brain itself and the nervous system, which allows computers to learn from observational data. Meaning, it's like training a computer to recognize objects in images or make predictions based on patterns that it discovers. Moving right along, let's explore predictive analytics. This term refers to using data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to predict future outcomes based on historical data. It's like foreseeing what's going to happen based on the patterns and trends that it's sensing. Robotics is another term that we keep hearing about. This specific field focuses on designing, constructing, operating, and utilizing robots in everyday life. Robotics aims to perform tasks with precision, efficiency, in hazardous environments. Think of robots as the assistants that can take over repetitive or dangerous tasks for humans. Supervised learning is an important concept with machine learning. In this approach, the model is trained on labeled data, meaning it gets the data that is already tagged with the correct answers. It's like having a teacher guide the computer's learning process. In contrast, we have unsupervised learning, which this type of machine learning involves training the model on an unlabeled data set, meaning the system then tries to find patterns and relationships within the data without any prompting or guidance or any sort of prior guidance at all. It's like exploring data and making discoveries on its own. Next up is reinforcement learning. In this approach, an agent learns to make decisions by performing certain actions in an environment and receiving rewards or penalties based on said actions. It's like training a computer to play games and optimize its strategies based on positive or negative feedback. Sort of psychological, don't you think? Let's move on to computer vision, which is an exciting field of AI. It trains computers to interpret and understand visual information from the surrounding world, typically using digital images or videos. Computer vision is what enables face recognition, object detection, and even self-driving cars. AI bias is an increasingly important topic in the ethical AI discussions that are occurring in this day and age. It refers to errors and outputs from machine learning algorithms due to biases in the input data. Recognizing and addressing AI bias is crucial to ensure fairness and prevent discrimination. Now let's talk about generative adversarial networks, otherwise known as GANs. This is a class of AI algorithms used in unsupervised machine learning. GANs utilize two networks, one generating candidates and the other evaluating them. It's like having an artist and a critic working together to create and refine art. Have you ever heard of Turing test? Based after the British mathematician Alan Turing, this test is designed to determine if a computer's responses can be distinguishable from humans' responses, measuring the computer's intelligence. It's an intriguing way to assess the progress of AI. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, and algorithms to extract insights from structured and unstructured data. Data scientists work with their magic to uncover hidden patterns and valuable information. The Internet of Things, or IoT. That refers to a system of interrelated computing devices, machines, objects, or people that have unique identifiers and can transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. It's like a network of connected smart devices that can all talk to each other. Quantum computing is exciting and a rapidly evolving area of computing. It focuses on developing computer-based technologies centered around the principles of quantum theory. Quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems much faster than traditional computers. Facial recognition, as the name suggests, is a type of software designed to identify or verify a person by comparing and analyzing patterns based on their facial features. It has applications in security systems, unlocking devices, if you have an iPhone, or even other types of phones, if you know, you know, and even personalized experiences. All right, let's explore augmented reality, or AR. It provides an interactive experience of a real-world environment where computer-generated information enhances objects in the real world. AR can bring digital elements into your immediate surroundings, blending the virtual and physical worlds. Very much like that potential Apple headset that we're all seeing. That is a really good example of augmented reality. Lastly, we have virtual reality, or VR. It's a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. VR allows you to immerse yourself in digital environments and interact with it, creating a sense of presence and escapism. It might be a cool way to escape reality. I don't know. And there we have it. We've covered a wide range of AI terms, breaking them down into simpler language for you. Remember that understanding these terms can help you navigate this exciting world of AI with ease. Thank you so much for watching. We love keeping you up to date on all these things. Comment down below if there's anything else that you want to hear, or if you're having trouble understanding anything, we're happy to explain that. But if you want to learn more about AI tools, make sure you go check out topapps.ai and browse through our hundreds of curated AI tools through our search bar. So thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.